Dear students, similarly, business office has two parts. First one we have already discussed, and number second, office with private investment. Many businesses are established with private investment for a profit motive. There may be established in the form of sole trading concern, partnership firm, or a company. The offices established by such business fall under this category. That basically aims to earn profit and maximize wealth through customer satisfaction. It is established to satisfy the customer as well as to earn the profit. Now the features of office with private investment. It is managed by the investors or employees employed by them. All the activities are done by the private administration. It requires skilled employee at minimum number as far as possible. It keeps less number of employees. It means it keeps a less number of employment so that it can earn more profit. It always attempts to minimize administrative and operating cost. It takes quick decision with immediate action. It does not keep delay on any work. Whatever the action have to take, it takes immediately. What the activities have to be done, it takes the action immediately. Like the same way, it expands or minimize the volume of business transaction considering the profit potential. It works according to the profit of the organization. It means if the profit is less, it minimize the work. If profit is high, it maximize the work. Understand? I think you have understand about office with private investment. And now last one is service motive office. Service motive office. Some organizations are established in the country not to earn the profit. It is established in order to provide service to the people, and such types of organization are non-profit organization. They are social and charitable organization. They are involved in public activities, or we can say such types of organization are established in order to provide service to the people for their welfare. Such organizations include, like example, Red Cross Society, Scout, Club, welfare organization, public library, etc. Like they support the people in like flood, landslide, earthquake, war, and other epidemic situations. Like features of service motive offices, the office has independence in management and functioning. It is a separate legal entity. Management and control are done by the management committee formed under certain rule. Its management committee is formed by the combination of people and they have their own rules and regulations. The management committee of the office is constituted by the members of the organization. Financial management is done according to the guidelines recommended by the General Assembly.